Hey guys, what's up? Bus Channel here, and today we're going to be unboxing, I think, a Dinky Toys model. As you can see, it's a bigger package than usual. So yeah, let's get into it. There we go. So here we have the box itself, guys, and let's try and get into this. Come on. Here we go, guys. Cool. Oh my, I don't want all this polystyrene to go everywhere. So yes, here it is in the wrapper. Let's unravel this thing. This phone better not run out of storage. Here we go, guys. Jeez, he's packed this well. Get off me. There we go. So yeah, it is a Dinky Toys Wayne bus, but someone's tried to do a code free to it. Or repaint it. And yes, obviously I'm going to keep it how it is. And yeah, pretty neat little model. I think I may have annoyed a lot of people by outbidding 6 of them. And yeah, if any of you are watching this video, yes, this is where it's ended up here. So yeah, here's the front of the bus. The side, it says wards on it, whatever that means. Just painted it with marker, obviously. The back, the other side, the roof, and the bottom. And if you want to know what the original version of this is, and I've actually got the original version, I'll just get it for you now. So I'll pause the video. So this one's the original version, and how I know that is, if I turn them around, as you can see, this one's got a black bumper, and so does this one. So yeah, that's pretty cool. At least I know what the original version is, so yeah. Let's get into the thumbnail now, guys. There we go. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.